Tired of outdated work types cluttering your Jira project? Learn exactly how to delete them in under 5 minutes. We will start from your Jira dashboard, navigate to project settings, and remove the work type in just a few clicks. So here's the thing. If you have been using Jira for a while, you've probably accumulated a bunch of work types you do not even use anymore. Maybe it is an old bug template from a project that got canceled, or a task type that nobody ever selects. These just sit there, making your drop-down menus longer and your project settings messier than they need to be. I have seen this happen in so many projects, and the fix is actually really simple once you know where to look. All right, let us start from your Jira dashboard. Go ahead and log into your account. You will land on your main Jira homepage. This is where all your projects are listed. Now locate your project on the left panel. You will see a list of all the projects you have access to. Find the one that has the work type you want to clean up. Just click on it to open it up. Next to your project name at the top, find the 3 dots. This little icon is your gateway to project settings. It is easy to miss if you are not looking for it, but it is usually right next to the project title. Give it a click. From the drop-down, select Space Settings. This will open up a whole new panel of configuration options for your project. This is where you can really start customizing things, including cleaning up those work types. In Settings, find Work Types on the left. There is a menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Work Types. Click on that. This will show you every single work type currently associated with your project. Now select the specific work type you want to remove. Take a moment here to make sure you are picking the right one. You will see a list of all your work types, like Task, Bug, Story, Epic, and any custom ones you have added. Click on the one you want to delete. This will open up the details for that specific work type. After details appear, look for 3 dots at the top of that detail view. This is another small menu button, similar to the one we used earlier. It should be near the top right corner of the Work Type Details panel. Click on it. From the menu, choose Delete Work Type. This is the option you want. Jira will not let you accidentally delete something critical without asking you first, so do not worry. Just click Delete Work Type from that dropdown. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up. A confirmation window will appear asking if you are really sure. This is your last chance to change your mind. If you are certain, go ahead and click the Delete button to confirm. And just like that, that work type is gone from your project. And that is it. You now have a cleaner, more organized Jira project with only the work types you actually need. No more scrolling past outdated options. No more confusing your team with irrelevant issue types. I have walked through this exact process in real Jira projects, and it works every time. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Jira tips. Thanks for watching.